Mesh primitives can often come in handy when I'm creating surfaces in EnRoute. Here's an example of some of the surfaces that can be created in the primitives toolbox in EnRoute. Here's a box, a torus, a cone, a cylinder. In this case, the cylinder has a different diameter at the top than the bottom, a disc, and a plane. So let's get into the tool real quick and just see how to make them. I get into the primitives tool and you can see I have the choice of what kind of surface I'm going to create. So for example, if I'm going to create a cone, I can locate it. I can define the number of slices and stacks. Slices go around the object, so around the cylinder, around the cone, around the disc, and stacks are the vertical segments, the number of facets that we're going to have. Then of course you can define the parameters. In this case, a 7-inch radius or a 3-inch radius, and let's make that a 7-inch radius and make it a 12-inch height. Close the bottom, makes it a closed shape, and then click create and the object's created. And so there are times when you're working in the software when it would be nice to be able to create, say, a slanted surface, for example, and the plane gives me the ability to create a surface, tip it a little bit, and then apply it to the relief. So the mesh primitives in EnRoute come in handy for a number of different applications.